Buddha's equality. The Buddha's disciples used to hold an evaluation meeting called Uposatha twice a month. The system of the Indian Trade Association was adopted in the meeting. Several kinds of rules were determined, which included penalties for violators. Some of the violators seem to have been deported. However, the penalty more than the expulsion seems not to have determined. The deported disciples were allowed to come back to take part in the Buddhist group. However, in that case, 20 guarantors consisted by elder abbots were required. Buddha was treated impartially, same as his disciples. He followed the rules such as having private goods is prohibited, and only 3 pieces of loaves are allowed. Along with their strict rules, for example, a meal is given once a day. Buddha followed the rules that had been determined by all members. One day, Pajapati, a Buddha's stepmother, sent him 2 robes textiles from Shaka country, a Buddha's hometown. Buddha said, "I already have 3, and he returned them to her." Buddha's dislike matters. Buddha told that anger was the most distant feeling from enlightenment. It is said that Buddha disliked fortune-telling and politics. It indicates that in those days, Indian politics was corrupt, and many fortune-tellers disrupted people. I introduce Buddha's words from Sutta Nipata. The master said, "Stop dividing the fortune including signs of happiness, natural disaster, dreams, or physiognomy. Ascetic monks who never judge fortune will lead society correctly." Sutta Nipata 360.